Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him gon' take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. Is it hot in here or is it just me?
Welcome to the palace. Good to have you. Glad to have you.
So nice.
Gon' take a shot on 3, on 3. Drinks, it's on me, on me. Drinks, on me. I said now gon' take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is the tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G. Oh yeah, get ready. Oh, we're on. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Please hold the phone. Oh yeah, I'm ready. No, we're on. Where you gonna be at? Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so
The view is amazing, y'all. This is ocean view. It is so lovely. So for our first night, we went to the Italian restaurant. This is 10 out of 10 and I recommend going to this restaurant for your first night. It will definitely set the mood for the rest of your vacation.
Yeah, go like a star. Up to the top of the car. Living the vibe of the lot. You know the way.
Good morning, y'all. So I'm currently at Ocho Rios Jamaica and we got here yesterday and there was so much happening yesterday. Like my phone was out, like there was just so much things happening, but we're here and I'm so ready to start off this vlog. So we're just ready for a new day. We have a presentation at 8 a.m. and I'm all dressed for the dreams. I'll soon show you guys that. So but we're gonna head out because we're running late. It's 2 minutes to 8 o'clock and I want to get to the presentation because the presentation gets me a free massage. So we're ready. Let's go.
Negotiate the best deal because you can have an elite member where they have the lowest level discount and limited rooms. So yes, the person on the phone, I'm gonna say, oh, you want that one?
Hey guys, so we are currently on the tour and we're in the president's suite. This room is gorgeous. Oh my god. Look at that view. Oh, shit.
And they negotiate well.
Ew. Okay, baby. The ew. It's gorgeous. Let's head to the bathroom. Look at this big ass bathroom and look at that. Oh, gorgeous. It's romantic.
what's up?
It is raining. Alright, all dressed and ready for dinner. I'm just gonna go outside and show you guys a full fit. Let's go.
So for night 2, we booked the Habachi and we were quite early for reservation, so they told us to just go by the piano bar, sit, have a drink, and once our table's ready they would come for us, and they did just that. Y'all, the piano bar is such a vibe, lounge, dark vibe room. It is. I love it. You guys have to check it out when you're there.
Alright, so we're gonna go big, okay? Gotta get that nice thing. Woo! Then when your phone's up. So we're gonna go big, okay? 1, 2, 3.
I needed to hear that shit. I hate when you're submissive. Passive aggressive when we're texting, I feel the distance. I look around at peers that surround me, these niggas tripping. I like when money makes a difference, but don't make you different. Started realizing a couple places I could take it. I wanna get back to when I was that kid in the basement. I wanna take it deeper than money, pussy, vacation. And influence a generation that's lacking in patience. I've been dealing with my dad, speaking of lack of patience. Just me and my old man getting back to basics. We've been talking about the future and time that we wasted. When he put the bottle down, girl, that nigga.
Oh, dinner was so good. So good. So we're in the game room right now. Let me show you guys how the game room looks.
He said we should hash it out like a couple of grown-ups. You a flower child, beautiful child. Who the fuck wants to be 70 and alone? You don't even know what you want from love anymore.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you do me a favor? Can you join me and stand to your feet? Everybody up, all those chairs. Stand to your feet, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, please make it big, make it noise, make it loud for Cora Hilton play Michael Jackson.
The Michael Jackson show was so awesome. Guess what? I think I'm loving this hotel more and more. The jerk hut that I had today, the pork, this shit opens till 10 p.m. 10 p.m. I've never been at a hotel where the jerk hut opens until 10 p.m. The jerk hut always closes like 5 o'clock, 6. But the shit opens till 10 p.m. I'm loving Moon Palace more and more. Let me show you guys the menu of what they had. They had today because it's after 10 right now. This was the menu. Authentic Jamaican curry goats, oxtail, pork, like this shit. This hotel is giving y'all. Yeah, so what I say? The hotel I give, it's giving. Definitely coming back. Baby, listen.
Me, I didn't mean she love me. I didn't mean she want me, she want me, she don't need no money. She really running, really on a run.
So yeah, the club was lit. I have to give it to them. The hotel is, this hotel is going to the higher rating. Anyways, the club was lit and we're at the coffee shop now. The coffee shop is 24 hours, so that is good. I'm just gonna order some panini. I had the panini last night and it was so good, so definitely gonna have the panini right now. So we're gonna see if it's lit like last time. We're gonna see if it's, you know, let's say like last time. We're gonna put it to the test.
Telling me that you're all mine and you was ready be just to find out that you've been meddling with a new guy and you've been settling. Really took off leaving me alone. At the order you gave me, I can't love no more. Really, I can't.
Try the crepe. What do they call it? The crepe, right?
It's crepe then. Crepe.
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 We'll call it crepe. Crepe.
That's some more weird. Oh man, that's some more weird. Crepe.
Good morning, y'all. So it's a brand new day and we have no sun. It was kind of raining this morning, but it's all good now, so hey. But still no sun, which is fine, but that means the ocean water is cold and we probably ain't gonna get into that. But I'm having such a great experience at Moon Palace. Like, it's just the food, the decor, the art, everything, and then the food just hits. Like, I don't know, I gotta come back here. But anyway, we're having a full day today. I'm gonna try to go to the spa to get a massage. And because from the presentation that we did, we chose a $200 credit, so I can probably get a massage for that. And we still have other resorts credit can use. I think around $500. I think total we have $700 resort credit can use. I can probably buy something at a gift shop and try to do something at the spa. But yeah, so that's what we have for today. I'm gonna try to do some water activities because it's our last full day here. Wah, wah, wah. But let's settle and see what's going on. I mean, just go down to the coffee place and let's have some coffee. By the way, you see that coffee place, the panini, chef's kiss. Like, it's 24-hour cafe and I forgot this one. The pizza hit too. Like, I don't know, the food. Like, the chef them there, if we can walk around and shake all of the chef them hand, I would fucking do that. I would do that. But anyways, let's head out to the room. Alright, let's head out. Alright, so apparently, yeah, so apparently, y'all, yeah, so apparently the clothing that I have on here, the top, it's not allowed in the buffet. So we gotta go change, baby. Gotta go change. Just trying to find the top. Oh, here we go. So yeah, so I'm gonna head back down to breakfast. I don't think I'm going to be eating a lot. I think I'm just gonna have some coffee and fruit because I'm gonna want some jerk chicken in the next hour, basically. So, all right, so I'm fully clothed. Let's head on to breakfast. Now it's raining, but I am still heading to the pool, okay? We're still going to the pool today. Ain't no rain gonna stop this today.
Thank you so much for playing. I am sorry.
The first drink for the day, y'all. that sun was wicked a while ago, like wicked, and we were playing that game. Anyways, back in the room just to chill for like 10 minutes, and we're gonna head out, go to the game room, because the game room is super fun. Y'all need to check out the game room. There's so much stuff to do in there. And then after, yeah, just chill for the day. I booked my spa for tomorrow at 10, so I'm really looking forward to my massage, and I also get the hydrotherapy, so that's wonderful. So can't wait. And then again, we're leaving tomorrow, so it's okay. Kind of sad, but let me go outside on the balcony with my amazing view. Gorgeous. So we're back in the game room. Let's have some fun. The game room is lit. What is this called? Sonic All Stars are playing right now. Ready for the next game?
Hey, Steph! That's right, Steph! I see you!
Y'all, it is 3 minutes past 6, and I'm still at the pool, and there's a lot of people at the pool behind me. So I don't know what time it ends, but nobody hasn't said anything to us, so we're still chilling here until maybe, you know, they say, hey, pool is closed. But yeah, so that's a tip. You can be at the pool after 6 basically, which is a good thing, because most hotels, like the pool closes at 6 p.m. and we're past the hour, so this is a good thing, I'm assuming. But it's time for dinner. This is how the pool is looking at night. Gorgeous.
Now all of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good, it's enough for a click.
We got the oxtail here and the escovitch fish with rice and peas, and then we got the view of the ocean. Morning, y'all. So I'm heading to the spa right now. Yo, the people said no phones. I don't like this. I'm gonna ask her again. Like, I need my phone. I'm in the locker room putting down my stuff. But damn, I need my phone. Ugh, let's see. Y'all, I sneaked in my phone.
Could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Cash, I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can play the mute. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. 'Cause you're the cigarette.
It was so beautiful, y'all. Look at me. Like, I wanna sleep. Oh. That session was so good.
So my least favorite of this resort is the beach. No, the side where the jerk hut is and the restaurant along that beach, that side is man-made. It is not natural, y'all. So just giving you guys a heads up, it's definitely not my speed. It is icky, it is mushy on that side. But yeah, I just stick to the pool once I realize that. On the other side, though, where they have the water sports activities, that side is natural, but it's just a lot of stones. And, you definitely have to go out a little bit to, enjoy the beach, better. But yeah, Moon Palace Beach is definitely a no-no. But in general, I am going back to this resort. The food, the staff, everything, great. I love it so much. I definitely recommend this resort.
Forgot to sweat that. Bit that, never gotta sweat